So kick things off with a quick question. Who knows, or what percentage of car accidents do you think are caused by human error? Any
200.
percentage?
200%.
Okay, that's a little high. Anyone else? 93. Yeah, that's a good number. 93 over 90, here 94 and so forth. Caused by human error, most notably driver distraction. That's the problem that Nauto set out to solve when it was founded back in 2015, pioneering the application of AI and computer vision to automatically detect that risk behavior in real time and alert on it in commercial vehicles. And since then, Nauto's solution has been deployed in over 800 fleets in the US, Japan, Europe, amassed over 3 billion visual AI processed driving miles, and naturally increased the portfolio of AI detected risks. So both in-cabin, like drowsiness, cell phone use, smoking, seatbelt use, a whole host of things. Also external risks, forward collision warning, pedestrian, bicyclist, tailgating, and vehicle maneuvers as well, like hard brakes and acceleration. And through all that experience, what we have learned is that while each one of those risk behaviors on their own could contribute to a collision, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, but it is the fusion and the combination of multiple risks that causes that likelihood of a collision to increase exponentially. And that's where we're moving our technology, that next sort of paradigm shift in how you apply AI and computer vision to drive safety